Hey everyone, welcome back to sextoy.how, where we dive deep into everything that buzzes, thrusts, and shakes. Today, we're exploring a real heavyweight in the world of male pleasure, the Doggie-Style Debbie Vibrating Stroker from Adam and Eve. This isn't just any masturbator, it's a full-on sensory experience. Let's see how to get started and whether Debbie really lives up to the hype. Big thanks to Adam and Eve for supplying endless pleasure for over 50 years. A quick reminder, this channel is strictly for the adult crowd. If you're under 18, please exit now. For our grown-up friends, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit like, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Ready to bring Debbie home? Use coupon code HOWTO50 at adamandeve.com for 50% off on almost any single item and free discreet shipping. Get the details by scanning the QR code or clicking the link in the description. Features and textures. The Doggie-Style Debbie Vibrating Stroker is more than just an enticing shape. She's built to deliver maximum pleasure. With two lifelike entries, a soft vagina, and a tight back door, each passage is designed for a unique experience. The detailed textures inside, including ticklers and ribs, promise an unforgettable ride. Vibrations and excitement. Debbie isn't just about manual pleasure, she vibrates too. Equipped with vibrating bullets that shake her rear, Debbie offers an enhanced experience. You can control the intensity to match your mood, from a light tease to powerful throbs. Usage tips and positions. Engaging with Debbie offers versatility in play, especially for those who appreciate the doggy-style setup. You can enjoy her classic doggy-style stance, which simulates a more natural and deep penetration angle. For an enhanced experience, consider varying your approach, perhaps by adjusting your stance for deeper or more controlled thrusts. Maintenance and care. Keeping Debbie in top condition is essential for lasting fun. She's easy to clean and maintain, thanks to her design. After each wild ride, a thorough clean with soap and warm water would keep her ready for next time. Don't forget to dry thoroughly before storage. Excited to try out Debbie for yourself? Remember to use coupon code HOWTO50 at adamandeve.com for smashing 50% off and free discreet shipping. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link below now. Got a story to share or a question about Debbie? Drop us a comment below. We thrive on your feedback. That's all for today on sextoy.how. Subscribe for more insightful reviews and top picks from the world of toys. Keep exploring, stay curious, and as always, enjoy the ride.